We believe that our partnership is to introduce green football to contribute our quota to the government green economy as discussed before.
Enti eno Mr. Jonansa Gaka chairman and Eresan Seminole Etudra Ebra Endra lunch no and so etimi ekọ so 6 July and a game no and so ebaso Accra Sports Stadium also folk and Asante Kotoko ye this year obeje president cup no and so etimi edi esini na so also folk and a defending champion and so honoma yebo eche and so etimi edi amount na honorable Richard Ofori Ajiman Dudona Efeni Kinzuba Kumasi Mayor or the Nsembebre and so etimi atudwa afa MTN FA Cup finals ebaso Sunday no na ochemo padia on regional minister omonso ebeko game na se.
Regional minister himself has also taken it up on himself that the two of us we should try as much as possible to start visiting our circles. Make sure that we mobilize our supporters. Very strong. Myself and the regional minister will start visiting one of the supporters who left here not long ago. Okay. They are Teija. Some of the supporters, Bello and his. They left here not long ago. So we will visit them first because they are the ones who have come with a date, and we'll visit them first and then.
Eno honorable Richard Oforiajiman Kinzuba and it is Sansamni to just say Omobako Akosra Asante Kotoko team ne Sansa Asante Kotoko entina omonso ekọ FA Cup finals no and so I say eno somebody to ja na MTN FA Cup committee chairman Mr. and I say honorable Wilson Atta and also Ekasafa Legends gamer and also ebetimi abaso no.
And you see a curtain raiser, Kotoko Legends versus Hearts Legends curtain raiser, and you see the like of Mia J, Azika Mwakon,
Akatapoli Mo Jordan Mo
Bloody, you know, Azik Eric Bequin, and names are people know. Players are Oman, in fact, me know Kase. It is a
Eno honorable Wilson Atta MTN FA Cup chairman and the Sansamino enso etujano na yeremo ewo Nations FC na kasamafo edema bobo keno Clement Apia dodona efreni Tita ene ekobusa ni se Tita yenyane ntie se mokra suit printing bebre abra na mo twen se mo final game no ana se mo be wini cup no na afen so mo dey celebration no na sansem na eba bonten no say ena neti
league yeah no let them catch us there maybe I near one no yeah ready say anytime manka you be season na say capital no you ready and now feel na you copy scar or baby the go and stand you know we just ready say and them no can say yeah say but say chance about say Africa ready and yes you be keep it but say they are printing name of the go and I say they are printing JC go no not than that we just focus on the league and you say you bully you know you bully na season baby say baby na kia we move on and you know
eno kasama for Edman Nations FC Clement Apia Tita and it is Sansamino enso etuja se no krobie nim se na omadi nkankra akofa akọ printing yoma egua no mo de be celebrate a league trophy no enye no kresa na yenko Ampem da Costa abrante mrebi atwa be si akaire makumasi Asante Roko ene one Baseke Holy Stars team no na adwuma na Ampem da Costa akasa for the days at Kotoko ne ho.
What's a big team? Obia so no say ono so your manager na kola wo na kola wo. Nti say wo bona wo ni group A group B a ho ba chiro, we neutral player ho ba chiro. Na ball quality no nya ball quality en pass ma. So abesan Kotoko abejiska kese. Ba obia so nya chance abetina Dr. Chianim, ni na be kasa. Then komona me Dr. Kwame Chidi ye no enu ho sika no de ama me. Wo akoka wo de ama me ma ba wo se mani brew. E di nti.
eno Ampem da Costa the entire ni days at Asante Rokono went to me and successful and so honmona or cheche musa no we no and all the two just say juju pande ye Ghana football players omutundro sa
Juju see a very big suspect in every team in Ghana. Maybe I never saw you cry near my chance now to me abokura and yaw oba ball akura unya dia see my forget team bia unya dia
enti eno Ampem da Costa Baseke Holy Stars and a former Asante Roko player no this answer no and so to just say Ghana Premier League team bia juju players omutundro sa obetundro no ama we prame ye de na ba ye de ba nso abo no ono nso a ontimi emebo eno ensema Ampem da Costa and so etimi ya tudwa ebra no ne Sompa TV and so edi enkomo na momma me eyade se honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan ono nso ere ensem bebre atudwa o se eya na anka ya ho sempa se ye bo Ghana Premier League na Central Region yenya team bia emane represent omuti sabe ya Swedro All Blacks o ma qualify next season Ghana Premier League no on be bobi no dey say Central Region fo nyina mon supporto Swedro All Blacks and say Infante Muwazia oye
Premier. When Mom Matthias and they say Swedro All Blacks and so qualify a Premier League. Where the Central Region, ya dear Bakupe. A free Domina was Central Region, say, we support to Swedro All Blacks. A old team, a co-relegation for so many years. A better new management to Nasi, sending what Amayati Member Premier. The whole Central Region, the only team. Ewo Premier League, Swedro All Blacks. Indeed, everybody in Central Region, all hands on deck. We should give full support to Swedro All Blacks. Now, I will lead the campaign. Yebeyama Swedro All Blacks. Now, Omotimi Ako Moni, Ewo Premier League. Indeed, all hands on deck. Yefrefre Munina Bumra. Central Region, you are doing it. We are all in Swedro, Oza. They come on full support. Into Ubiamra, Nima Swedro All Blacks support.
Eno honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan. And it is 72 days. They say the gurus now. More Central Region in Mumbla on board. Na Mumba supporto Senebeya Swedro All Blacks Omonso Abagana Premier League nimo Nkobas Yebebo season every no mon say come back to Division 1 no and so ensema honorable Kennedy Japan and so etimi ede atuja na mumma me Desmond Affair coach edema Ghana National Under 20 team no sisi ade and I know assistant coaching so edema the Black Stars of Ghana GFA sisi ano pese o focus only on Black Stars assistant coaching intino under 20 adwuma no Desmond Affair GFA AJF in sema sisi ano say o pese o focus on Black Stars and so assistant coach job no and after so Charles Simpson on also assistant coach to Black Queens so GFA for HMA sisi ano omo enso manako Princess na oye both assistant coach for Black Queens and offensive Princess and sisi ade on corner offensive o manage Princess for no na bibia eno so entimi enkoye eno enso ensema free the Ghana Football Association enso aso edeba na mama me coronation match eno so eba so nyame boa edachena enso baby any Gold Stars any Mediama enso coronation match nyame boa edachena and a game no enso so baby any dance park 3 p.m. and a game no enso so and at the Ghana Football Association omo be present baby any Gold Stars omo trophy omo so ewini the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 league season and so etimi ede amomunti way so and a yegina and anopena fen so efisem ni nyina yetimi ede esia na ember power enso etimi ere akoye nkofo nkro so ena no pray na ena no pray Lydia ewo Breman West na se Breman fie ene eye wawuda afei ene wanya mfie no edunkro ntino Lydia mame ma happy birthday kese pa ene anopay powers Brena son bibia yeboko
yen konkrofo nkruso na yen nkonwo kakra enede ewo tip off na so me pato Grace mo mama owura ne tede Trent Alexander-Arnold enu aye de tudwa so enu ano ana Real Madrid bobokun enso eye unveil na bibia so etuma koso kama asijwa bibia tumi koso ngo Madrid enso campo na yade enika na Trent Alexander-Arnold yedikan e dia to Paul Horse enim sem just number 12 and no be 6 years contract and was sign at the Ama Madrid bobokun no ne no no what him say nra Trent and Cambrofo Spanish and Quano Kaye and some trophy busan is and also my Spanish was best last few months best Abusumika Kerbini no this but how fluent no Oka Kasano Yente and Ra Ninkomudino.
Madrid, the demands are high.
Buenas tardes a todos.
Good afternoon.
Gracias tanto al presidente Florentino Perez como al club Real Madrid.
Thank you, Florentino Perez, and the club for this opportunity.
Fichar por un club como Real Madrid no sucede todos los días.
This doesn't happen every day.
Sueño hecho realidad.
It's a dream come true.
Estoy muy feliz y orgulloso de estar.
I'm very happy and proud to be here.
Tengo muchas ganas de enseñarle mi juego a los madridistas.
I want to show Real Madrid fans how I play. I do realize I'm signing for Real Madrid. The demands are high, but I'm going to give my all for the team and Real Madrid fans.
Tengo muchas ganas de enseñarle mi juego y
I want to show those fans.
Enti eno eye owura ne den ade Trent Alexander-Arnold en sama ade tuja enu no na se Liverpool for na pala e sansa akra no en sama okan ye wo press conference na se ene ne sama mre bi okan ye wo Liverpool ama nkofo wojide sa as a boy we ono ankasa contradict no hon at a point in time, no kind of love for Liverpool. Or say Liverpool club, and no, and I hear the best. We are singing now. Or Coco Drew Madrid, or Sanso Casan Sabanon, and then in some pain, and I can say to me, Aguso or Casa, but I say, Yaguso, yes, when you will see a call, and so to Edema Trent Alexander-Arnold. I when the carrier were to I will Madrid Bobo and so you know, I am somebody be so good and then you said in some I will turning that they may tear for. I go to make a power. So after you Premier League managers no Namin Kasa and Fanfaho, what Johnny was Sompa television as well. The longest manager our Premier League must say, and you're going to tell the Pep 8 years, 11 months. Mikel Arteta, 5 years, 5 months. Marco Silva, Fulham, 3 years, 11 months. Eddie Howe, 3 years, 7 months. Unai Emery, 2 years, 7 months. Anthony Iraola, and also Atoso Oho, and we are Premier League managers, full list of the longest 7 managers currently. Our Premier League, now the latest, and now said the newest appointment. Are you going to tell Thomas Frank just 1 day from Spurs Babo Kono? We also move. I got join the club and it so the part we move every Brentford. I join the club and it join the Spurs and no I get Diego Suepa and then pay anope and no. Mami Bobo Kwan it the PAG. We move guso mu ye juma. Medical dia tuanin say ananwa domoko do United States of America. Our most social nyame yadoma on Sunday and a PAG. Ebebo mu first game. I will FIFA Club World Cup and also so first game on. And nothing, and not because so against Atletico Madrid. The Patriots came now at the 15th Sunday, 7 p.m. against Atletico Madrid. When we go to Amonsonon, Juma, no Penian the tennis Enrique, or say when we season, say be a perfect season, and Subaru year. I was a Club World Cup. One more to make a this woman also a banner sana just a trophy piano this season. Monso tomato, no aye tefo so totwa, and net anopane aguso edi nsama na no, de pana bibian so etuma ye kama. Afi meko tennis, but also na tennis no, yenyu football related stories, and influencer. Mame Victor Yokeres, minim some good. The other Sompa TV no, Akrana Konaji page. Wakodi nkomo and some can anoten kakra. Or sit in some bebree and at your report and some trophonica na IG page sunie or say there is a lot of talks at the moment. Most of it is false. I will speak when the time is right. Or say in some bebree el koso e will we are saying and be koso and some tropho can be one more be a mo president ni din na mdo kan sa dodo na no ayentro nkofo twantro bebree our system ni mu at appropriate time on one kasa ba bonten aba bekasa and ay akrana ni din so a day Victor Yokeres in summer or the akona IG page so Instagram page so akoka and yet hu nkoma hoto so etepa I go to make the kasipa we so menim some betu Alexander Zinchenko picture no amamya se damse AC Milan yet Safatabia a sense AC any club and a team and the Atletico Madrid Edim Petrucci Boy and the Jerry Theo Hernandez and to be free AC Milan Atletico Madrid a bonus on a left back wall almost a year juma metese AC Milan I'll start in the Arsenal didn't come up for this boy Alexander Zinchenko shot over to Papa Ebesia Kandama club no sounds currently so Arsenal in the games in Bimbo Ningana se most Lewis Kelly out in the position until so so called a quadrant mind. And that's the club and the team and the AC Milan be so at me kama and I am some so for but the AC Milan I think a demo mono a boy and so salary and no one thing and so at my club and I know I am some so touch and no Mami Alton I am Jasori or the player at the club Bruges our Belgium William said Tim Saudo Pina so much for this boy including AC Milan reportedly 35 million euros and no any figure and also done so including clubs from the Premier League Arsenal and of course Liverpool the money for this very boy and no also again somebody be a parano Rio Ferdinand a legend for the Premier League or a legend at the Manchester United Wakasa at the United player Mafano Matthias Cunha Gentleman Samano.
This is a huge factor, I think. If he's one of the players that I mentioned a few weeks ago, if I was had a shopping list, he'd be on there. And he knows the Premier League, so he doesn't even need no adaptation time. This is a huge factor, I think. If you're going to go and buy players from foreign leagues, from places that players that don't have the experience in the Premier League, there is always a risk. But he has the experience here. We've seen him here. He grew up a Man United fan. He was Anderson. Shout out Anderson. Anderson was his guy. I have to ask him why. But no, jokes, I'm joking. But yeah, he's obviously a Man United fan. And I'm hearing he's taking the number 10 shirt, which was Rashford's shirt. What does that mean for Marcus Rashford, man? So, I don't know. It said there's a lot of questions in terms that will be asked about that as well. It might answer a few questions. But 17 goals, 6 assists in 36 games. For a Wolves team, I think is impressive. I think the recruitment team of Manchester United would have seen in the.
Okay, inti eno Mr. Rio Ferdinand and Sama or the Abba and Nete Anopa and Sonono. Me fan to obianim Sam Ivan Gennaro Gattuso and Ra. Me denhun komo Edemausa Gattuso for the Squadra Azzurri and also Italy. Now Satim Ejumano all is said for Penino no and Obabe Ejumano. When him said Thursday, that is a first meeting koso between FIGC Federation Gongo Calcio, President and Gabriel Gravia and Ivan Gennaro Gattuso first meeting koso Nelina non never Gattuso say or presenting ideas or deba for appointment and also ne obefedumana ekwan obefa so na chese odi international team so bekonanim na mpedefo ye convince about the project ono so dia ba ne Italy mano metese ya ajatumane sa na me pato dia meeting e ene se opinion ne Gabriel Gravia see Gattuso nko na onsan so mra mpenifo pen na omuta adwuma no ma na ono mbepa ababe ye adwuma no metese enu anano another meeting koso Leonardo Bonucci and Bazzagli and Gattuso ekokoshia would say Leonardo Bonucci already or your assistant our Italy under 20 or Sesso Penny and the Bernardo and Corrado our under 20 no and Mr. Leonardo Bonucci no a Jumano or a BSO but about Sesso Gattuso and Andrew Bazzagli and so and another meeting around 7 p.m. and also also Gattuso and your granite and so at when your former Italy national team goalkeeper no and also Gigi Buffon that meeting and so to make also and I so many so good swiper and then until after Claudio Ranieri and you're not doing say it Jumano and Conco Fanyano and the attention Echo Gattuso well pay by next week Damete and this announcement let me be also so confirmation or but me fuapa eno ayensa me nseka and the time me go so me den sama utoni na no at the amiatie for live on Sompa 93.1 me patcho Grace mo me Man City wo so departure and arrival good Man City and no powerhouse at the Manchester City and ra and no be free Manchester club ho na o makwa United States of America and no mutui o makwa do asumdwim bibia nso no etum ekoso ni nyina efa FIFA Club World Cup and also ekoso ewo bi man US of A me patron yankopon yadman the 13th of June Team Sabekoni Borussia Dortmund, CF Pachuca, and the Chelsea Subeko, Al Hilal Bekon Dete, FC Salzburg, Wamuna Aya Team Seneteno, Wamuso every Friday, Wamubeko Aya USO, Aquacosha Bibianson. Emetumaya kama etamo mete United eko for Higo eye ekitiki when say this boy Chelsea the calco 22 years now all 4 years running contract with entrant fund for Bobo Kono between say fund for Timono demanding 100 million euros that is 85 million pounds and no another figure mete Manchester United and so don't want him for Higo ekitiki development means canon I just say nay Manchester ND come for off and koi but nkomodie anya associate for this boy and no also ayensma and also tocha and then you go so den some awoto no e de ba na bibia so atumaye kama wonim say oman Uzbekistan qualify for World Cup. One lost game no that was on Tuesday and the game also against Qatar. Now Uzbekistan as a 3-0 and nobody qualify for World Cup. There will show Sompa television national ayo Omano president in fact Omani na and Omayo Madrin so mo the cast way at the mama players no enti enra and also etumi koso omo your presentation kama at the mamo national medals say omo so etuma boa no ma qualify but say the meeting here and this Omani na ejatum say afibia edu 10th of June a national holiday Uzbekistan and they woman come rasebedem no makwa jatum sam 10th of June I was saying declare national holiday Uzbekistan ni na say ayeda woman so the qualify ko World Cup no and ayan komo ni so fru so totwa and the anopare agusu yede nsam do do na no ade amiatie for egbotume de kasepa we so mama akra ni Gabriel Osiakan edema Asa Bobo Kono Gabriel Akasa good there will show some party in the sono akrano akansan bebre number 1 nie and they say the dasono omubusano efa say Asa Bobo Kono wate sa Arsenal Rodrigo Goes ana say on the no credit so onim on to be Kawasam Biasa say Efa and some truffle and summer Omubusano Efa and no hono or say on to be Kawasam. I don't know, but I would like obviously he is a phenomenal guy. I have told people already or no medical Kawasam say boy we no credit so onim so oba and also omba but a phenomenal guy wakan wasem bebre e dia champion for say boy we say munya no de ne ba Arsenal obetuma abotumi bebre e kwa bebre so na we den komo bebre enso atumi e dia phone say ne dia tie and say gomo hwese next season nneɛma bɛtumi akɔ so ɛda mo ɔmo ɔsɛ deɛ wɔka fa akora wei ho no nya afi ɛna ɔsan bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu yɛhwɛ anim sɛ next season so ɔbɛtumi aba anaasɛ ɔntumi mma mmerɛ ɛne nkrabea ɛnso ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ yɛde mu bɛsia 9:30 yɛbɛsa so aba ɛwɔ full time show no so wote agyakum blankson orlando nka yɛfrɛ me ɛmbɔ power yɛde mu asia 9:30